Wanted to talk a little bit about my Ninja air fryer. It's one of my favorite recent purchases. Starting with the size of it, I think the size is really convenient. It doesn't take up a ton of space on my counter. And if I do ever want to stow it away in a cabinet, it's lightweight and easy to take in and out as I need to. It's also very easy to clean. It's non-stick, so I haven't had any issues with food sticking to the inside and having to scrub. I also like that it is so fast cooking wise, and it makes food very crispy. So it's nice to stay at home and save money and kind of improve my cooking skills a little bit. My one criticism of the product is that the time is defaulted to 20 minutes. So you do have to scroll through quite a bit to get to the time that you want. However, overall, it doesn't really impact my overall impression of the product. I think it's a great product overall.